Hello, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I wanted to give a little backstory. About a year and a half ago, my wife and I decided with very little experience we wanted to renovate an old house. We've been posting weekly videos every Thursday or Friday. We're trying to show every step that we've taken for this whole renovation. So if you're new and you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this week's video, please hit the like or share. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. This week's video, I'm framing up a large closet downstairs. For my next project, I think I'm going to frame the closet area here. We've always been kind of up in the air on what we wanted this closet area to look like. One of these doorways here will go into our kitchen eventually. Down the hallway goes to the bathroom. And into a small living area. And then back here is the main living area. There was closets here. I believe one door was right here-ish, and it had a closet, and then there was another door, and that went down and then turned and went down in the basement. Now we obviously changed the basement door. The basement door's over here now. That made more sense to be able to just go straight down into the basement, and it made this space bigger for us. We'd like to be able to fit 2 to 3 doors here for closets. That's the blueprint of the closet. 2 foot deep, and it's about just over 11 feet long. That's big enough so I could put 3 of my big closet doors. This is one of them. They're 7.5 feet tall by 36 inches wide. So I'll be able to fit 3 of them back here. There'll be a 6-inch gap door, 6-inch gap, door, 6-inch gap, door, 6-inch gap. And then it's going to turn into a countertop. So there'll be like a marbled countertop here and some built-ins up here. Can you see what I see? Space-wise, the most narrow place here where the hallway is going to be is from this big beam over here, but it's still over 4 foot. The rest of this is all, well over 5 foot. And then over here, this is well over 5 foot of space here. This is just roughly framed right now, just so I can show Sarah and see if she likes it. If she does, then I'll follow through with framing it in. Sarah wants these to be individual closets. She doesn't want to open up this closet, go in, and then see through to the other closets. So she wants little walls built between each closet. Yeah, so I just need a little wall to go right in here. Come on, little wall. Come on, little wall. Don't be such a... The next wall just needs to go right in here. Literally perfect. I don't like saying the word perfect, but when it is, you know? Oh my gosh, it's just everything's so square. Where's my nailer? I like the way it looks, but I think I'm gonna put a second piece of wood in here just to help give that some extra strength. I'm very, very happy with how this is turning out. Stands up by itself. Must be a good wall. Man, I put these 2x4s right in my way. Can I get it by? Oh yeah. Okay, got it. Yeah. Okay.